Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a broken zipper on a backpack without tools. First, carefully examine your zipper to see if the slider has come off one side of the teeth. If it has, gently pull the two sides of the zipper teeth together. Then, using your fingers, carefully guide the slider back onto both sets of teeth, ensuring they interlock correctly. This often resolves simple separations and gets your zipper working again in just a few moments. If your zipper slider is stuck, you can use common household items as a lubricant. Apply a small amount of lip balm, a bar of soap, or even rub a pencil lead along the teeth. This helps reduce friction. Gently work the slider back and forth over the lubricated area. Remember, patience is key. Avoid forcing the slider, which could bend the teeth or break the pull tab, making the problem worse. When the zipper teeth have completely separated, locate the exact point of separation. Pinch the fabric on both sides of the zipper teeth together very firmly, bringing the teeth as close as possible. While maintaining this pinch, slowly pull the slider upwards. This action helps the slider re-engage and interlock the teeth. You might need to repeat this a few times to get all the teeth to connect correctly. For a missing pull tab, a paper clip or a small keyring can serve as a temporary replacement. If your zipper keeps opening, you can secure it with a small piece of string tied around the slider and the fabric, or even a bit of tape. To prevent future issues, avoid overfilling your backpack. Excessive pressure on the zipper can cause it to separate or break, so keep the load reasonable for its design.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.